Hello, kindergarten. Today, I would like to practice some CVC words with you guys. And if you remember what CVC words are, they are consonant, vowel, consonant words. So consonants are all the letters in the alphabet that are not vowels. And if we remember what our vowels are, A, E, I, O, and U. So every time we write a CVC word, the letter in the middle will either be an A, E, I, O, or U. So keep that in mind as we write our CVC words today. I am using a whiteboard and expo marker. If you do not have a whiteboard or an expo marker at home, that's okay. You can just grab a piece of paper and a pencil, or you can even use crayons or markers for this occasion. Since we're not writing full sentences, I would let my class use crayons and markers. So for our first one, our Easter picture shows us a picture of, we're always going to look at the picture above the basket. In the basket is a jet. So think about the word jet, what letter it begins with. What letter do you hear at the beginning of jet? Right, J. So you would write a J. And when I write CVC words and when you write CVC words, I hope that you use only lowercase letters. So J, E, the middle vowel sound is an E, jet, jet. T, J, E, T, jet. Awesome. All right, I'm going to erase that and move on to our next one. Our next Easter CVC picture is a picture of a tub. Listen to the word tub. Can you write tub? T, B. Remember, when we do lowercase letters, we have to think about those B's and D's. Make sure your B looks like my B. Tub. Tub. All right, the next picture is maybe something you guys had on Easter. This is a picture of ham. Ham. And then the last two letters are one of our sight words. Am. Am. Do you know how to spell am? Am. Am. Ham. Awesome job. All right, this one, if you look at this picture, it has an arrow that is pointing to the mom of this family. Mom. Remember, all lowercase letters. So our lowercase m, mom. Make sure we're using our very best handwriting when we are writing our letters today. All right, our next picture is a picture that's pointing to one of the ribs on here. So we would write the word rib. Rib. R, ib. What's that middle vowel sound? I, rib. Rib. Now, I want you to look at your paper right now. Does your I have a dot at the top, or does it have a big filled in circle? Uh-oh. If you have a big filled in circle for your I, make sure that you take your eraser, if you wrote with a pencil, and do just a dot. That way, the next time we do an I, you will remember to just do a dot. Remember, we don't fill in that dot. Rib. Now, if we were talking about more than one rib, we would make it plural. So we would have to put some letter on the very end to make it plural, or more than one. we would say ribs, ribs. If it weren't pointing to just one of the ribs, we would put an S on the end because there's lots of ribs up there in the picture. Okay, we'll move on to the next one. Ooh, look. It's almost like they knew we needed a dot on our I. This picture right here is dot. Remember, lowercase letters when you're writing. Dot. D O T. Dot. Very good. All right, the next CVC word, if you look at this picture, it looks like this sweater has a lot of water on it. So the word that I'm going to choose is wet. Wet. That sweater looks very wet. All right, if you're going to write the word wet, what middle vowel sound? Eh, eh. T. Wet. Remember, all lowercase letters. Wet. All right, let's go to the next picture. Right here. This is a picture of a jug. Jug. J. Just a dot. J. Jug. Now, when we make our G, just like our J, we make sure it's a digging letter. It's going to go below our U. Jug. All right, let's go to our next one. This picture is a picture of a pig. All right, the beginning sound we hear in pig. I, G. Pig. Very good. And we have one more Easter CVC word. Our last Easter CVC word is tag. Tag. T-a. T-a. G. See how I made that G a digging G? Tag. All right, that's the end. Thank you so much, friends. Think about other CVC words that you can practice today.